She left like a wind through the willows. She left, leaving in my soul the taste of a why, an open wound, a flower without faith. I saw her like one sees an eclipse in passing, like a lighthouse in this sea, like the sun that won't look at me. And I was left with a kiss in my voice, with hands empty of love, drawing her name in the wine and the pain. She left for a love that sees her without knowing, that sings to her unknowingly, that loses her a fight. She left for a love that doesn't know what it is, that would rather surrender than burn, than burn, than burn. I was left like a book no one read, like a dream that never woke, like a child never found. I wept, yes I wept beneath the stars, for the sky still bore her mark, but not her skin. She left for a love that touches without feeling, that breathes only to flee, that doesn't know how to choose. And I left too, not knowing where to go, because there is no happy